Fire up the Android Studio and create a project called Android Tricks. In this project, we will learn few Android Studio customizations that will help us in the development process. In Android Studio Preferences or Settings, go to Editor. In Editor, choose Colors and Fonts. So this can be used for various options, for changing colors of a particular language or particular tool like Android Logcat. For example, Android Logcat is a very essential tool, and we can customize the assert and debug and error info, verbose, warning colors, background and error stripe mark and effect colors, and so forth. And also we can customize debugger, and we can choose a different font. For example, now Android Studio Editor is going to be Courier, and we can also choose source code, Pro, but I would like to use Menlo, which is a default font in Android Studio. And for font size, I use a 27-inch screen, so 20 would be appropriate. And also we can customize braces and colors and JSON colors and HTML colors. A lot of color customizations that we can do in colors and fonts. Now I'll show you another facility called split vertically and split horizontally. Using this option, we can see all the different files in the same window, and we can mix and match the colors and IDs and all that. It's a pretty useful thing for all the Android developers for sure. And now a distraction-less mode and presentation mode. This is pretty much featureless options for showing the fonts and editor screen emphasized. Now let's see a few shortcuts. Command J is to show live templates. There are a lot of inbuilt live templates that will help us for, instead of typing a code, it will generate code for us. And this is Toast. And next command would be an action center. An action center can be triggered by Shift Command A, and in this action intent we can choose a different options. And let's create multiple cursors. So using option enter, we can import the class, and let's declare a couple of same text views. For example, at least 3 text views. Creating a multiple cursor is always a useful facility. By pressing Ctrl+G, we can trigger multiple cursors, and we can edit the name multiple places at the same time. It's a pretty cool feature. And next one is an option enter to directly pass the string to the resource file. That's pretty easy. And also we can trigger multiple clipboard stack of a copy command. For example, I'm copying a couple of lines like this, and we can see that different copy facilities available. Customizing our Android Studio according to our needs is pretty much helpful in improving our muscle memories too. Until next time, signing off.